Okay, so first question, what is the difference between value investor and trader with monthly setting? Good question, good question. So right now, if we go here, so we have, so value investor is the quant grade. I mean, everything is quant based, but just to be more specific, value investor is taking the performance metrics, so the actual performance of a coin. So in this case, if we go to XRP and we go to performance here, we're getting all these data points, all these metrics, and creating a grade based off of this using the AI. Right, so all these metrics. So that's what that is doing. Now the trader grade is for people who are looking to trade. So time frame for this is daily, weekly, monthly, while value investor is monthly, quarterly, yearly. So initially for value investor, we had quarterly and yearly, but we wanted to test the monthly quant grade to see how well that performed versus the trader monthly. So trader is a combination of the price prediction models and technical analysis models. So combining those into one single grade, because before the issue we had from taking feedback with our customers, the TA would say one thing that was conflicting with the price prediction. So we've done some backtesting and we discovered if we combine them, we can get a more consistent prediction, or I would say basically trend forecast, that's also more accurate. So as a result, we combine them. Now the weights varies based on our backtest, but last time we backtested this, 85% of the grade was the price prediction and 15% was the TA. That was the ideal weight, but this is always being refined every single day as we optimize the models, because what works today won't work next week, next month, next year, right? So that's why we're always testing every single day, and our models are basically survival of the fittest model. Now we're basically testing the trader monthly and the quant monthly, because currently it's been close, but the trader monthly has been more accurate. However, for the last few days, the quant monthly has been more accurate. So right now we're kind of testing out those two models, and we'll see which one over time, over the next month or so, has been the best performing one, and we'll likely go with that. But we basically have both options here for people to basically decide, right? So actually here, let me see if I can pull up the accuracy for transparency. Just give me 1 second here. Okay, so this is the accuracy behind the scenes. This is not public, but we do plan to make this public through charts that show the historical accuracy of each model. So monthly trader accuracy currently has 55%, weekly 57, daily 61. So right now, okay, so quant grade is getting even more accurate. Okay, so we might have a winner soon, right? Monthly quant grade is 74% accurate, quarterly 79%, yearly 78%, right? And right now we're also testing the daily quant to see if that can be better. So our quant team and machine learning team is always testing new things, right? So this is kind of what we see behind the scenes. So as you see here, combining TA and price prediction is actually more accurate for most of them here, right? But we're also testing the quant rate to see how accurate that is. So stay tuned, we'll keep you posted. But if this stays consistent, then we'll likely remove the monthly trader, right? And we're also working on combining everything into one supermodel, right? But that is somewhat challenging because not everything can be combined. For example, RTA is only for 30 days. That's why we can't really combine it with the quant quarterly and yearly, because doing TA longer out than a month is pretty much guessing, right? But that basically answers the question. Bill, do you have any comments?
The only comment is that, I am spending a lot of time checking our quant grades and comparing them to the charts, right? And, I think that's just going to be a total bonanza for me.
Absolutely, absolutely. So actually, this question came from our forum.tokenmetrics.com. Be sure to go there and join, post questions outside the live stream. We also do have a Telegram group as well. If you like Telegram, just search for Token Metrics or just go to our site and join. We also have a private alerts channel as well. So with that being said, let us know what you think down below. Okay.